Alright, what's up boys and girls, everybody? We are here with another scooter video, the first mod on the 150cc GY6 scooter that I picked up for dirt cheap. I have a lot of plans going in store for this, but for now I'm going to start off small and try to get a list of what I actually want to get done to it. I think probably one of the main first mods I'm going to do after I do this mod, and I'll do it for you guys here, probably the CVT upgrade, maybe with the ankle biter. That'll probably be the most solid one, the guy cruising. But I think that's going to be the most solid one, is do the CVT upgrade. Right now I can hit around 55-60 reliably, like every single time I ride it I can hit at least 55-60, and that's GPS verified. So honestly that's pretty good for a pretty stock scooter. The only thing that's done in there in the CVT case is a GY6 variator with 13-gram rollers, carburetor stock, exhaust is stock, clutch is stock, belt is just a stock 835/2030 belt. The plug I swapped out for an NGK CR7 HIX, but besides that this whole thing hasn't really been messed with, so that's pretty good for just a normal basic 150cc. If you guys don't know, I'll make another video on common things that restrict these things back, like the washroom between the variator and so on, all that stuff. But I'll make that a separate video because I have a whole bunch of other separate videos for these. I kind of touched base a little bit on adjusting the valve clearance on these GY6 motors, 0.004 on the intake side, 0.005 on the exhaust side. If you guys want me to make a separate video on like just normal maintenance ones, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I currently have a poll up on my channel as well on what plans I have in store for this. A solid plan go-to is body panels, because a lot of these body panels are pretty beat up. The previous owner, this is kind of like a Frankenstein scooter. I got 3 of these in total for under 500 bucks. This one had a title. Well, I should say this one had a title because these came off of another one. These came off of another one. The exhaust came off of another one, so it's kind of like a Frankenstein scooter right now. But it definitely needs some newer parts, like the body panels, half the clips are busted off. Like right here you can really see it, the clips are just busted off, so I can't even mount it. So I was thinking about getting all new body panels, especially since this one's spray painted black and you can see it's actually a red panel underneath. Side panels are the ones that came on it, same thing with the front. I guess the previous owner went and got carbon fiber, the fake carbon fiber ones for the front center. This is a 2008 I want to say it's a Yamati Strada. It's basically along the lines with the Vento Phantoms, same thing, but here is going to be the first mod, our cheap little air duct. Basically it's an air scoop. It's supposed to help pull with the fan pulling in cold air. I was mocking it up a little bit. Obviously you don't want it to stick straight up, so I'm gonna probably narrow it down like this, so when you're cruising, air is gonna pass through under the body or side the body, and then it's gonna be able to catch the air and throw it in. Theoretically, of course, is how it would work. There's really no way to do it. It's just plastic on the fan shroud. If you don't have this kind of cover, just hit up eBay. They have the whole shroud kit, and they have ones that have the pre-drilled holes for these covers or the flat covers. I used to run a bunch of these in the past. Never actually temperature verified, but it does add a little bit extra interesting flair to it. I highly doubt it does too much, but I could be wrong as well. So basically you just mock it up, line it up. Fun fact, if you do get a second case, a second fan shroud kit. I think it's like 15-20 bucks on eBay. The screws that come out of the old one, these old mounting screws, which are usually right here and right here, and then there's another one on that side. There's one that goes straight down through the center. These screws actually will mount it to that. So when you do go to buy new ones, if you do, these screws are what you're going to need. I just, like I said, I had 3 scooters, so I pulled those 3 screws out of the other scooter. But let's go ahead and get into this. What you're going to need to do, try to put you down, see if I can angle you guys somewhere. Might be kind of difficult. You'll put you guys, okay, maybe I won't be able to do it. I'll put you guys down here, and I'll pick you back up then. Let's see, go ahead and put these on. Let's see, start with the hard hole first. Alright, so I couldn't show you it, but pretty simple. You basically just run the 3 screws into the cover hole, and there you go. It's on. I guess it does kind of support in here a little bit, as you can see, so when I'm cruising, it'll pull air in. Obviously, theoretically, of course, whether or not it actually works, time will tell. But that's pretty much it, you guys. This thing cost me like 4 bucks. Came from China. That's a no-brainer. I will link this fan in the description below, so if you are interested in picking it up, it is gloss black, which is what I was trying to find, because there's a bunch of chrome ones, there's fake carbon ones. I was just looking for just a normal sleek gloss black, and there you go. But if you're not already and you're into the GY6 platform, or you're just into the whole scooter scene, go ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I have tons more coming for the GY6. Like I said, I was mentioning the transmission kits. This is definitely going to get a big bore kit at some point, but I kind of think I want to focus on the body panels and maybe the seat before I start tackling power, so to speak, because the body is definitely rough looking. But like I said, there is a poll on my YouTube channel, so if you go to my YouTube channel and look at my posts, there's actually a poll I have up right now. There's a couple different options, whether I should just jump straight into, like, one of the questions is, should I jump into a 28mm slide carb with an exhaust first, or should I jump into the transmission kit, or should I jump into the panel kit? And if I jump into the panel kit, what color should I choose? Deep purple or gloss black? Gloss black would probably look pretty cool on this. This is going to be, I'm going to swap these out eventually. I'm thinking about actually deleting the right side shock, right side swing arm, which is pretty easy. You just delete the long axle, get a shorty axle, and then you have the whole open tire concept, and then the exhaust will probably sweep up and mount to that and that bottom one, which there's no screw in, but they come with screws. So like I said, this is the Frankenstein scooter. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Leave a like if you liked it. If you want to see more or have questions on the GY6 or anything in particular, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And like always, guys, let's get it. Thanks for watching. See ya.